State President kan National People Party NPP Meghalaya ba Prestone tensong uloong baka party kan Korea ka jingjob hak election MP Lok Sabha 8,000 na baro artli ki parliamentary seat ka jala Meghalaya kata na Shillong ba Tura. Habakren sigilat sai kubor hadin ka jingwan senran thep kerteng ya ka kertong ka party ka Dr. Mezil Amprin Lingdo na kabanta kan ka election na ka arwar regluber 8,000 uba Prestone ulong ba hadu menta 4 tip batno ka kertong ka NPP kan yakun re ka batikna kalong ba ka NPP kan job na kini ki seat ulong ba kinong tray ka party kila tray sitom hadu ban leitrung sa kitliu ying ban pan jingkersan ya ka NPP bat kumju kinong yalam na kiwe steng san perthai kila nang man pnyeso sa ka NPP ka bapen I ba ka party kala nang kiu.
And I am very sure this time we'll be able to come out successfully both the consensus.
Which party do you think are your strongest contender this election?
See, now we are yet to know exactly because they are yet to file a nomination. So I'm not in a position to tell you which are the party whom we are going to fight most. But from our perspective is, see, NPP right now is we are on the ground and all our party leaders, they visiting each and every polling station, each and every village, and we will not sleep till 19th of April. The polling day is over, then only we'll be able to sleep. No, that's what I'm saying. This election this year, the MP election in Meghalaya is so special for the NPP because you know in the last term we did not set up candidate here in Shillong parliamentary seat, only from Tura, and we won with a thumping majority as far as Tura is concerned in the last term. So this term, I'm telling you, we are going to win both the seats, and I'm very sure because you know our party leaders, the grassroots party workers, they now on the job, they are working, and not only that, they are entering to each and every household to explain people that please vote for the NPP this time. So,
do you think there is anti-incumbency against MDA2 government in the state?
What anti-incumbency? In fact, I'm telling you, people are joining us every day.
Every day.
Why they do that? Why they do that? Because they have seen it, not only MDA1 but MDA2, a matter of 1 year. You have seen a lot of changes, a lot of focus we made for the interest of the state as a whole. So therefore, lot of leaders, irrespective of which denomination you are, which party you are, but they keep joining us. So you understand that NPP is growing day by day.
So can you please tell us why will the people vote for you this time around?
They vote because of development. One is the development, and number two, they have seen that the leadership is stable in the party of NPP, and we don't have any misunderstanding among the party leaders. We are one. NPP we don't call political party. We used to call NPP family. So that's why people, they really love party NPP because of this quality there.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya.